What's up guys, in this video I'll give you a quick review of my Ubuntu VirtualBox running on my Mac OS X MacBook Pro. So without further ado, let's start the video. Okay, go to Computer Science, VirtualBox, check the settings. Yes, 1 gig of RAM. Okay, that's all fine. 50 gig of memory, so the hard drive is 50 gig. So we can press start now. Okay, now we're into the OS, Ubuntu. This is how it is. I'm running it on VirtualBox. That's the terminal. Get rid of that. Firefox. Takes quite a bit of time, because like I said, I'm only using 1 gig of RAM, and my Mac itself is running 4 gig. We'll look to upgrade that in the near future. Close that down. It's all the settings, battery life. It's quite similar to Mac OS X. That's where all the files are stored. Quit that. Really nice. That's the rubbish bin. Get out of that. No. Quit that. That's how Ubuntu is. Feels like the real thing, but like I said again, it's just a VirtualBox. It's not the real thing. It's real, but I'm using a VirtualBox to run this on my machine. Only gives about 75% of the experience. Whereas if I had the real OS, it would give me 100% of the experience. That's it for this tutorial. Now I'll probably just shut down. Yes, shut down. Close that down. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.